Hey guys, this is Reza Malayeri, and I'm excited to be coming to you today from beautiful Bangkok, Thailand. We're at the Wat Arun temple, where we're going to be doing some off-camera flash editorial portraits using some beautiful traditional Thai and Hmong attire. Now, today we're working with Sony's flagship camera, the Alpha A9III. This is the latest, greatest technology from Sony, introducing a revolutionary new sensor called Global Shutter. Now, you might be wondering what that is. Compared to a traditional rolling shutter sensor like the A7CR that I have here, the rolling shutters capture your exposure line by line on the sensor from the top to bottom, and that introduces things like banding, flickering, uneven exposures, and power loss for your lights when you go above your native shutter sync speed and the light needs to go into what's called high-speed sync. With Global Shutter, the advantage there is that it captures your exposure simultaneously in one pass. So there is no introduction of any kind of artifacts, banding, distortion, because it just isn't possible. Global Shutter captures every single pixel all at once, every single time. And that introduces some amazing benefits for what we're doing today. That includes getting more even light, getting more power out of our flash, and in general, avoiding any kind of distortion, and being able to do a revolutionary 1/80,000th of a second in shutter when you're shooting with flash. Now, you might be wondering what gear I'm using. Being out here in this hot and humid climate, I rely on my Alpha cameras to perform in harsh conditions like this. So I'm usually rolling with G Master lenses from Sony. These give me the absolute best performance, native performance. I get the maximum burst rates, I get weather sealing, and it can keep up in any environment. And my go-to is my 24-70 GM Mark II. This gives me a ton of range in a fast-paced environment like this where I need to get different shots without being able to change lenses. And then I'm using the latest nano trigger from Flashpoint Godox to trigger my Explore 300 Pro, otherwise known as the A9III Pro. I love this light for its size and power ratio. It's the perfect light to travel with because it gets a lot of power out, but it's real compact and small still. For my support system, I'm using the Small Rig Free Rover carbon fiber travel tripod, also very small, compact, lightweight, and easy to deploy with one simple twist lock. And my light stand is the Nissan carbon fiber light stand. It's also very portable and lightweight, and it's from Rogue Expo Imaging, which happens to also be what I'm using to modify my light. I love the umbrella travel kit. It's really compact, lightweight, and easy to travel. Comes with a shoot-through umbrella and a larger softbox. So this is what I use to modify. To put everything together, I have my Vanguard Ultra Rise 48 backpack. I love the fact that it has the yellow interior. It helps me find my gear easily when I'm rummaging through my bag and everything's black, so the yellow interior is super helpful. For audio is being powered today by Sony's wireless W2BT Bluetooth wireless. I love that it uses the digital interface. It's easy, no cables necessary, and I get excellent audio. So, with that said, we're gonna go ahead and get shooting with our beautiful models in the traditional Thai and Hmong attire. We're super excited to show you the power of Global Shutter, how you can easily overpower the sun and still retain a ton of power in your light. So follow along as we head into Wat Arun and shoot our portraits. What's up, guys? We hope you enjoyed the showcase that we put together for you with the A9III with off-camera flash, showing you the power of global shutter and flash photography. We shot at the Wat Arun temple, we shot at the Grotto Cafe, so there's a lot of examples for how you can take advantage of the global shutter in the A9III. We have a lot more coming for you, including some fast action photography, showcasing some of the features like pre-capture, high-speed burst shooting, and then we're going to show you some of the video features with a lot of the awesome new tech like the dynamic active stabilization, the 4K 120. There's so much packed in the A9III that we're super excited to tell you all about it. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. This has been Reza Malayeri, and I'll see you in the next video.